Hello, beautiful. This is Jennifer Hadley, and our prayer for today is for accepting support. Oh my goodness, yes, we are accepting support from everywhere in the universe, most especially our mighty companions. We are grateful and thankful to open ourselves to the support of the all-good, infinite love, pure light, intelligence, wisdom, clarity, creativity. So grateful and thankful to allow ourselves to truly open to receive all the support, all the love, all the dynamic goodness that the universe has to pour out upon us. We are grateful and thankful to allow ourselves to truly know the peace of God and all the support that the peace, the love, the joy, the freedom, the wisdom, the clarity, the all good of God gives us each and every moment of every day. We are profoundly supported in the invisible, and we welcome all manner of visible support. We open to receive intelligence, inspiration, intuition. We open ourselves to receive God's infinite grace, supporting our life from beginning to end. We are grateful that in truth our life never ends. We are eternal, infinite being, unlimited, unprecedented. This is the very nature of our existence. And throughout all of it, we are supported by the love of God always and forever. We are grateful to allow ourselves to truly know and accept all this loving support that the universe has for us. So grateful that our mind is already the mind of God. The grace of God is already available to us. So grateful for so much good. We share the benefits of our grace-filled, love-filled, gift-filled life with everyone everywhere because we are forever one with them. We are grateful to allow it to unfold, to fully be, and so it is. Amen. 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 Oh, yes. So good. Thank you. Thank you for being receptive with me. We're twice as receptive. It's wonderful. So good. Okay, just riding the waves of goodness here. What is going on? The Change Your Mind class is on. It's not too late to join us. What else is going on? The deep dive topic for June is family liberation. Family liberation. And that is on Saturday, I believe it's the 13th of June, second Saturday of June. And then on Father's Day weekend, I'm doing 2 free forgiveness workshops. And then at the very end of June, we have my End My Self-Sabotage program. That is a beautiful thing. If you know that you're sabotaging yourself in any way, shape, or form, if you're self-medicating as a form of self-sabotage, this is the program for you. And then in July, in the middle of July, Asheville, North Carolina, that's where the Quantum Counseling Training Intensive is happening. July 12th to the 18th, and it's open to anyone and everyone. People come just to increase their ability to be compassionate. People come to rid themselves of insecurity. People come to open their intuition. People come for developing counseling skills. People come for all kinds of reasons. You can have whatever reasons you would like. It's a professional training, and it's open to everyone. So all the details for all the offerings is at powerofloveministry.net. And I love you, Have an amazing day. Mwah! Opening to accepting and receiving support.